Ever faced rejection so harsh it made you question everything? Me too. After pouring my heart into a project, only to be turned down flat, I felt lost. But stick around, because I'll share how that rejection became the turning point in my life. Hello, champions! Today's mission: tackling the beast we call rejection. Feels like a low blow every time, doesn't it? But what if I told you each no is a stepping stone to your greatest victory? Let's unravel the mystery of rejection and its silver lining. Rejection. It's more than just a word. It's a flood of doubts, fears, and what-ifs. Whether it's a dream job that went to someone else, a loan application denied, or a cold shoulder from someone you care about, rejection can shake us to our core. It's the fear that paralyzes, the self-doubt that whispers, "You're not worthy." This dread of being rejected, it can make us play it safe, stick to the shadows, avoid risks. But here's the thing, without stepping into the arena, we're sidelining our potential. Why do we let the possibility of a no stop us from chasing a yes? But why is rejection so daunting? It's primal, tied to our very essence of wanting to belong, to be accepted. Yet, in our modern saga, a rejection isn't a saber-toothed tiger. It's not about survival anymore. It's about perception, our view of failure and success. Here's where it gets interesting. Every no is not a dead end. It's a detour, a chance to pivot and grow. It's not personal. Maybe the timing was off, or perhaps there was a mismatch in expectations. The fear of rejection narrows our vision, but recognizing its role as a catalyst can open new doors. Now, the transformation. How do we turn the tide? First, embrace every no as feedback, a nudge towards your true path. That job rejection, a sign to level up or explore paths more aligned with your passion. A broken relationship, a tough lesson in self-love and compatibility. This is where growth happens. In the aftermath of rejection, it's about resilience, the courage to say, "This is not the end, it's just the beginning." The secret: don't just get back up, pivot with purpose. Reflect, refine, and re-engage with your dreams with newfound wisdom. To wrap it up, rejection isn't the universe saying you're not good enough. It's nudging you towards where you need to be. It's the universe's tough love. The more you face it, the less it scares you. You learn, you grow, you become unstoppable. Fear of rejection is just a shadow. Your potential is the light. Now, it's your turn. Share a moment when a no led you to a bigger and better yes in the comments. Let's turn our collective rejections into a mosaic of triumphs. And if you're ready to redefine failure and chase success, smash that subscribe button. Let's navigate this journey together, turning every setback into a setup for a comeback. See you in the next video.